Right, two baskets, A and B, contain some bananas and pears. The ratio of numbers of pieces of fruit in A to number of pieces of fruit in B is 4:3. The ratio of bananas to pears in A is 2:5. 5/6 of the pieces of fruit in B are bananas, and there are 16 bananas in A. And the question we're asked is, how many bananas are there in B? Okay, so I'm going to draw two bars, one for A, one for B. The one for A is going to have 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so hang on. There we go. So 4 parts for A, and for every 4 parts of A we have 3 in B. Okay. So that's our first bit of information taken care of. Then we're told the ratio of bananas to pears in A is 2:5. That means 7 parts in all. I can't do that easily with 4. Okay, if this was already in sevenths, it would have been very easy. But so what I'm going to do is divide each of these into sevenths, okay, into 7 equal sized pieces, or approximately anyway, so I'm just eyeballing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, so 2 to 5. So for every 2 bananas there are 5 pears. Okay, I obviously could shade for 2 bananas 5 pears, 2 bananas 5 pears, but what I'm going to do is bunch all the bananas together. Okay, so 2, 4, 6, 8 parts represent bananas. All right, so there we go. So there we go. Okay, so we have 8 parts bananas. Okay, which means what? The rest of these are pears. That's going to be 20 parts pears. Okay, not 20 pairs, but 20 parts pears. Okay, right, so that's that bit of information taken care of. What else are we told? 5/6 of the pieces of fruit in B are bananas. Okay, well, B is already divided into thirds, so what I'm going to do is subdivide that so that I've now got 6ths. And what are we told? 5 of these 6ths represent bananas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 5/6 bananas. Okay, what else are we told? There are 16 bananas in A. Okay, so what we now know is that 8 parts of bananas means that 16 bananas represents 16 bananas. So 8 parts, 16 divided by 8 is 2. That means each of these has a value of 2. That each of these represents 2 pieces of fruit. Okay, so one of these units then, I'm just going to, one of these original blocks, okay, represents, so there are 7 parts in each, that must mean 14 pieces of fruit. Okay, so, and remember, these original parts here are all equal. This part is equal to this part. Okay, so if I now know that each of these parts represents 14 pieces of fruit, okay, I know that this is 14, I know that this is 14, okay, and I also know that half of 14 is 7. Each of these is 7. All right, and There's 5 of them that represent bananas. So 5 times 7 gives me 35 bananas in B.